Hello all, welcome to Decathlon Products review channel. In this video, we are going to see Quechua men's worn and waterproof leather hiking boots SH500. This leather version of these warm winter shoes is made for your hikes in cold weather and your daily outings. It has good grip with SNOWCONTACT technology, materials, and tread pattern of the soles. Also, it will give good traction on snow, thanks to the location and depth of the 4mm studs. Warmth of this shoe: comfort temperature when stationary 6 degree, while moving -15 degree. Foot support of this shoe is mid-height, upper with lacing through 2 loops on the top for good supports. Here is the waterproof. It has breathable, waterproof membrane to guarantee keeping your feet dry. That's all about this product. I hope this will help in your buying decision. If you want a specific overview of any other products, which is available in Decathlon, feel free to leave a comment. We will come up with a detailed video.